Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to remotely erase your iPhone 17 using Find My iPhone. Find My iPhone is a really good feature that lets you track your device. When it's lost or stolen, you can play a sound off of it, you can put a message on it with your phone number to call when someone finds the phone, or even erase it remotely if you like so. Now, erasing remotely still won't give a person access to your phone because there is something called activation lock. And activation lock prevents them from setting up the phone after it's been erased because it requires entering the email and the password to Apple account previously signed in. This is called the activation lock, and I'm gonna show you that later. Now, if you'd like to begin, you can either use an Apple device, a different Apple device that you have, by going to Find My on that device. It's an app on the device and you can locate the device that you'd like to erase. Or if you don't have any other Apple device, or if it's not signed in or whatever, you can, or if it's not yours, you can just go to a website. So I'm gonna show you that on my computer right now. And as you can see, I'm on iCloud.com. This is the website that you should go into. And now, before we begin, I'm also gonna tell you that if you're watching this video before you're in that situation where you need to do that, it is worth going to settings, clicking on your name at the top, going to Find My, and making sure that Find My iPhone is enabled here. You can see Find My network, also I'd recommend that, and send last location would be also recommended. Now let's sign into the website. Okay, you can see email or phone numbers, so I'm gonna enter my email and the password. Now it'll send a verification code to your device, but most likely you don't have that device with you, so I'm just gonna dismiss that. I don't really care about that anymore for now, because I can just go to find devices on the list here, right below the verification code. And now let's find the proper iPhone. So this is the one, and I can click on erase. So remember, it deletes all the data. All content and settings will be erased if Find My network is enabled. You will still be able to locate this iPhone. That's why I recommend to enable Find My network. Let's click on next. And now enter the password again to confirm. Now let's go further. Now, it tells you about the two-factor authentication, but you're not really able to do it right now because the device is not with you. So let's try going to find devices again. Okay, we can't. Let's go can't get code to your devices, and you can get text code to your phone number, get a call to your phone number, or click on can't use that phone number. And now you'll need to get your account fixed. So that's a little bit of a problem here, because you can see that it really just requires you to have somewhat at least access to the phone number, or if not, then recover your account, but that's also quite difficult. We're gonna try to bypass that. We're gonna see if we can do something about it. I'm gonna try to go to Find My again, and I'm gonna select the iPhone. This is the one. Okay, erase, next. Yeah, most likely we'll still need to get the verification code. Okay, so yeah, and I can't click on find devices because I'm already in find devices. If I went to manage devices, I don't really think I could also do something here. Yeah, I can't really. So well, I guess I'd need to go through the two-factor authentication to do that. And after that, it'll let me to reset it. Or I could click on that button, that says you can get your code to the phone number and then go through like the reset process of your Apple account. But that may take a few days because you'll actually need to enter your email and then they'll send a code to your email, but then they'll tell you that you need to wait like 24 hours for a response that tells you like when you will be able to access your account. And then when you can access your device by like changing the phone, you can change the phone number associated, and then you'll be able to go through the steps that I've shown you. So I hope that the video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.